Indulging in the process of creating a flavorful mutton curry can be a therapeutic way to unwind and distress after a hectic day. To begin, marinate 3/4 of a kilogram of mutton with a blend of turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, pepper powder, and salt, allowing the spices to infuse the meat for at least an hour. In a pan, heat 2 teaspoons of aromatic coconut oil and saute shallots, onions, ginger, and garlic until they caramelize to a golden hue. Introduce a chopped tomato to the mix and simmer until it breaks down and forms a rich base. Then, add the marinated mutton and braise until it reaches a tender consistency, periodically adding a splash of water to keep it moist. For a final touch, garnish with fragrant curry leaves to enhance the overall aroma. The mutton curry is best enjoyed hot, paired with steamed rice or fluffy roti, for a truly comforting and satisfying meal.